I'm so excited. I have a new one to unbox. I have not even peeked. This is from RPGSHOW, and they have human hair wigs at very affordable prices, and they sent me one to try, and I'm super excited. You want to unbox her with me? She comes in this nice bag, but then there's a box inside, which usually they come with the bag on the inside, so I'm wondering if there's also a bag on the inside or just the one on the outside. So let's see. It's a beautiful box and bag. I'm really impressed with that. She's got tissue paper, and I can see just a peek of the color up there. It looks gorgeous. It looks like a red. Looky there. I can't wait to get it out. There is a bag on the inside too. Oh my gosh. There's all kinds of little goodies in here. Let's see. This is a little thank you note with my order information on it. That is awesome. And it shows their return policy, which is 30 days. They'll accept returns within 30 days of receiving your wig. That's a good thing to know. This is a wig grip. Nice. This is awesome. This is one I've never seen before, so I gotta look at it. It's elastic. The whole thing is elastic, but it's kind of like it's not slick, you know, it's kind of like the velour, but not really. It's elastic. And it's got Velcro back here, so you can adjust it. That is nice. I'm excited about trying that. They send some wig tape. There's a wig cap. It's one of these. These are so nice, but it's a long storage bag. You unzip and put it in there so you can actually travel with it that way. It'd be really nice. Very nice. All these little gifts. Okay, so let's take a closer look here. Okay, so she's got this foam here kind of holding the shape. Wow, that looks amazing. I ordered the deep bleached knots, which I've never done before, so I'm impressed with how it looks. Let me get this net off of here. It's a gorgeous color. Again, it was supposed to be, this is the long wavy middle part caramel blonde balayage. And it's number 007. To me, this is it's pretty. It's so long. Oh my gosh. I think I had ordered 16 inches, and this is way over 16 inches. But look at that. It is gorgeous. Can you see all the dimension in that color? Wow. Look at this. There's so much dimension there. So we do have a gold caramel blonde in there. And then it's really a brunette, almost an auburn. That's so pretty. Definitely a balayage. Look how gorgeous that is. I don't know how they've got it packed so that it retained all those curls. Look at these. Okay, this is, wow. You cannot see the knots at all. Like I said, I ordered the deeply bleached. Look at this hairline. It's pre-plucked. These are all options you can get on their website when you're ordering a wig. Wow, that looks so realistic. Okay, so I'm gonna take the clips off. And there's her lace front. She has a 13 by 6 lace top. There's a band. Yes, they have a fit lock drawstring cap. So you can tighten it, make the wig tighter if it's too big by pulling on the drawstring. And then this kind of slides up depending on where you want it to go. It has a strap. It's a removable strap. I'll probably remove it. So this is all closed wefted. So it has a 13 by 6 lace top. Look at that. That is nice. And I will have to cut the lace. I'm probably not going to do that right now. It has a comb over each ear and a comb at the nape. And it's got the lace back. That's nice for if you want to wear it in a ponytail. It is not specifically a ponytail wig, but if you want to, you can do it with this lace. It looks like skin then. Okay, I can't wait any longer. Let's put her on my head. And when you have a glueless wig, which is all I've ever had, there's no need to do all of the glue and all the other stuff. That seems really complicated to me. This one is glueless, so you don't have to do any of that. I just noticed she has no ear tabs really. So that will be kind of nice for me. I'm anxious to get her on my head. So I like to hold them upside down and then just dive in. She's plenty roomy. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this hair. And that's just how easy it is. You just dive in. It does feel strange without ear tabs. There's nothing there to adjust. I guess I can kind of, so wow. That really looks like a real hairline, doesn't it? Oh my gosh. So once I get that lace cut off there, it'll lay flat. You have to be sure to cut it close enough, but not too close. Look at this hair, it's gorgeous. I really feel like it's more than 16 inches, but that's not a problem. And here's the deep bleach knots and the pre-plucked hairline. Wow, so real looking. I love it. So I'm gonna kind of massage this here. It's kind of looking flat on top. I know some people like it really flat. I don't like it quite this flat. Oh, she's beautiful. My goodness. So luxurious. The hair feels like silk. Oh my gosh. I could just run my hands through it all day. Look how beautiful this is. I love it. Okay, let me show you all sides. There's from the left. Here's the back. So pretty. Here's the right. And back to the front. Isn't she gorgeous? This color. This is amazing. I love it. Trim that lace off, and I'm like sitting here thinking maybe I should just go ahead and cut the lace, but I hate doing that on my head. Okay, so now I've got the lace cut and I've got her on my head. Because the ear tabs there are no ear tabs and it's got this lace, I'm gonna use the Walker tape they sent to secure this to my head. It's very sticky, and I've peeled off the blue side. This side is what goes on the underside. So it's off. I'm gonna stick this down, and then I need to peel off the top part, which is what the lace is gonna stick to. Trying not to mess up the tape underneath. Okay, now I'm gonna put the lace on top of that, hold it down, and there it's stuck. Yay. Yeah, that looks like hairline. It's amazing. I'm not gonna do the other side right now, but that's basically what you do. So here she is. This is from RPGSHOW. She's 130% density, which is perfect. It actually feels very realistic. It's perfect density. I'll put all the information about her details in the caption. I do have a code that'll save you $100, and it's WiggyMom42. So there you go. Thank you, RPGSHOW. I love this wig. It is amazing. I cannot wait to play with her, to wash her, see how she dries, all the stuff you get to do when you get a human hair wig. It's amazing. Like I said, she's budget friendly, very budget friendly. She's so pretty. I love it. It's gorgeous.